All right, so another day of me making random stuff with sweet potatoes. Today I'm doing sweet potato waffles. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up all my ingredients, hit that bit with some cinnamon like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna separate these eggs because I'm making some mascarpone, caramel mascarpone. Gonna heat up some sugar and water. All right, I'm gonna mix my sugar water in with the eggs and get that mixed up. Put in some mascarpone cheese and vanilla. Put a little caramel in there, and there we go. Got that mascarpone ready. I'll spray some butter on my iron here, my waffle iron. Thank y'all for sticking with me, so cheers to y'all. I know I don't got a lot of followers, but I appreciate y'all. Fam, these are the waffles. Squad. Yes, sir. I didn't know how I was gonna put the mascarpone on. I thought I was gonna do a cool design, but no, I just filled in all the holes. All right, I'm gonna put some marshmallow cream on top of these bad boys, and then I'm gonna stack them on top of each other, you know? All right, yeah, I'm not really good at plating. I thought I'd hit it with some cinnamon afterwards to make it look a little bit more platey, but yeah, that's about it. What y'all think? And I'm not gonna lie, these bad boys were fire. Like, I did not expect these to taste this damn good, like dead ass. And of course, the fam wanted to come get a bite. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I know it. How. Yeah, I know. Yeah.